Alright everyone, so that is the final prototype of our OBS seat bracket kit. I should say Superduty seat bracket kit. It's taken us a while, I think almost a year. This is the last part before we go into production. I think we've had like 3 different phases of this. I want to show people this isn't just flat bar or something that we just took and made some angles and called it good. It's formed 1/4 inch, gusseted, custom legs, custom machine bolts. It's a lot of detail to this kit, and it has taken us a long time for a number of reasons. The big one was this wasn't something we just really wanted to sell. It wasn't like a market we're going after. I just wanted Super Duty seats for myself for the cowboy truck. We kind of want to do something different. We went down the road of just trying to take a set of seats and put them in a truck to see how they sit, how they sit in there. I'm like 5'4" on a good day, and they sucked. There's no way they fit correctly. The other one was safety-wise. This truck, I want to haul my family in. There's no way I'm just going to drill holes through the pan of an OBS Ford that has no structural integrity whatsoever. We wanted to make a system that bolted to the factory location on an OBS truck, and that everything was functional and most importantly safety. And then the other one was obviously it had to sit properly. They had to sit in the same location as an OBS seat. They had to sit low. They had to have the function of going all the way forward, all the way back. That's why you can only use this kit with power seats. So only seats that will get low enough. 07 era Super Duty seats are what we designed this around. I know it varies from year to year. We also used a 40-20-40 setup for the front. The rear is just obviously a standard crew cab Super Duty set. It's been a long road. We're just about done. Bear with us. Now remember, I didn't just go after a market. It wasn't like, oh, let's just sell this, because people are doing this. It was because the cowboy truck had some derpy seats. They were disgusting. I'm like, hey, I found some Super Duty seats. I know people just throw these in their trucks. And when we did that, we found a number of problems. Besides them not sitting correctly, people cut the legs off and they modify them. That was still half-assed in our opinion. So bear with us. We'll have more details as we roll this out. Like I said, the other thing kind of held us up too was the cowboy truck was our final prototype, actually fitting it. Well, it's been in paint. It's been in body and paint for a couple months now. So now this back, we will get this fit. We have another customer's rig we're working with too. He's going to install them, kind of give us a lowdown on that, on the install without us doing it. And yeah, it's going to be a rad product. I hope people enjoy it. Like I said, I apologize for the wait, but it's because I'm not just going to throw something half-ass out there with flat bar or anything like that. So check it out. We'll have more details as we go along with some pictures for people, some detail, and thanks so much.